what is up? I am Meredith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have another Cupshe haul and try on. I have been working with Cupshe for a few months now, and I cannot tell you how much good luck I've had with their clothing, specifically their bathing suits. If you guys are returning, thank you so much for coming on back. And if you guys are new here, I am Meredith. I am a mid-sized and curvy content creator where I create lots of hauls and try-ons and some lifestyle videos. But essentially, the whole point and the whole premise of my content is to help women love their bodies, love their curves, and to also help them find clothing that fit our bodies. I am on the quest of bridging the gap between straight sizes and plus sizes because I am a size 8/10, and we are often forgotten about, those who fall in between the straight size category and the plus size category. We do not see ourselves represented in mainstream media, on Instagram or on TikTok or on TV and, you know, wherever. I rarely see anybody that has a shape and a body size like mine. So I am here to represent all of you mid-sized babes, to help you guys feel loved, to help you feel represented, and to also help you guys find clothes that fit our curves. Before we hop into this Cupshe haul, I wanted to give you guys my measurements for reference. I am 5'7", I have a 36-inch bust, I wear a 34 D-cup bra, I've got a 29-inch waist, and I've got a 44-inch hip. If you guys are unfamiliar with Cupshe, they are a beachwear inspired brand where they have gained their inspiration from fun and energetic and unique women to create lots of different things. Not only bathing suits, but they've got dresses, they've got cover-ups, they've got shoes, and they've got accessories. The great thing about this brand is that they have new arrivals every day. They are affordable with the average price under $30, which is amazing. They're high quality and your body's gonna look amazing in them. I also wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the new app that they have. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a QR code here that you guys can actually scan on your phones to download the app. They are offering you guys 20% off site-wide on orders over $105. Go ahead and scan that QR code, download the app, and I will show you guys what the interface of their app looks like right here. It is super easy to use, and they're offering exclusive discounts if you guys download the app. And on top of that, they are providing you a code for 15% off your orders of $65 or more with my code Mer15 for 15% off. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video. My head was definitely cut off in that first section of the video. I'm so sorry. Woo, okay, it's like I've never done this before. Anyways, let's talk about this amazing bikini, okay? When I tell you guys that I have not had as much luck with bathing suits ever in my whole life that I've had with Cupshe, it is insane. Every swimsuit practically fits me like a freaking glove. You guys, I love this color. I love the sort of twist detail right here. The bottoms are a high-waisted work of art. And on top of it, they're wedgie free. My body looks so good in this. I love high-waisted. You guys know that I always pull things up on the side, and this actually is just designed to be a high cut bottom, but it does have the booty coverage that I like and that I want. This by far is one of my favorite colors. It has a little bit of a tie-dye design, but it's very subtle. The top does have adjustable straps right there, and I love this sort of twist detail in the front. The cut on me is amazing. The cut on me is amazing. The cut on me is amazing. Ah! Let's put on the next swimsuit. And another one. Another bathing suit that fits me like a glove, you guys. The color is like a minty sort of chocolate chip color. This really pretty green. It looks really good with sort of like my olive complexion. The details of the scallops on the waistband here and also up the neckline, I love it. I wanted to point out that the top does not have a closure, so I had to sort of stick this on over my head, and I pulled it on essentially like a sports bra, and it fits really well. I wasn't sure how it was gonna fit since there is no ability to make it tighter or looser, but it actually fits really well. I wanted to quickly mention that I am in a size medium on the top and the bottom, and I will be in a medium throughout this entire video. The bottoms are high-waisted, which you guys know that I absolutely love. They're not as high cut as the others, but I still sort of feel like pulling them up just a touch, which sort of gives it a little bit of bunching here. So they are definitely meant to be worn a little bit lower, and they fit the booty really good. They've got lots of coverage, and they are definitely wedgie free. I would definitely say that this runs true to size, so just keep that in mind when ordering. Next up, I have this super incredible sort of bustier top. I'm really loving the sort of lingerie as everyday wear, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like paired with a pair of jeans and how I would normally wear it. I would probably throw on a little black cute heel and maybe a hat or something. I just really like the juxtaposition of like a rugged denim with something very beautiful and very delicate on top. I am in a size medium. It fits really well. There is no closure, so again, this is sort of a throw on over your head sort of situation, and it fits me perfectly. There is some boning on the bottom of the top right here. There's 4 places of boning, 1, 2, 3, 4, which just gives the top a little bit more structure, which I really love. I also really love the sort of intricate lace detail sort of laying over the top of my chest. You could also throw on an overshirt, which I will show you next. I really was sort of drawn to this top when I was choosing my items that I was going to get from Cupshe. Not only is this great to be worn as sort of an overshirt, but it's great for if you work in an office. This is a really cute blouse. It can be buttoned up and tucked into a pant. I wanted to just show you guys what it looks like over this bustier. I just love the pattern of it. The material actually feels really soft. There is a tiny bit of stretch to it. I am in a size medium, and overall it definitely fits true to size. So let me go ahead and just quickly show you guys what it looks like buttoned up. Okay, this is buttoned up, and I just styled it sort of putting in one side of the blouse into my pants just to show you guys another way to style a button down. I'm gonna quickly just tuck it in to show you guys what it would look like tucked in. I think this can be great to be paired with a pair of slacks or even a pencil skirt or something of that nature. There's lots of ways you could wear this, and I just think that it's such a fun piece because of the print. It is a bit out there because of the spots, but I am all about living on the edge and adding some interesting pieces to my wardrobe. Mayday, mayday, we have a problem. Okay, well, if this isn't the most ill-fitting thing ever, I was able to get it on up over my hips, but there is no stretch, and you guys, I can barely move in this. If you can see how tight it is, if I were to squat down, I would definitely be busting through this thing. Oh, this is so disappointing. Sometimes I forget that I can't just order anything that I want off the internet. This is a prime example. She don't fit. She's cute, but she don't fit. What a cute dress this is, you guys. The summer is coming to an end in the near future, and I feel like this would be the perfect sort of transitional dress because it has lots of those golden yellow sort of mustardy undertones that pair really well in September, October, and November. She's a little lightweight, so she is breathable, which is great, but I feel like you can also just throw on a pair of boots with this and maybe even like a sweater or even a blazer over the top and wear this to the office. I would definitely wear this to some sort of event. I mean, it could be anything from a baby shower to a bridal shower, even maybe to a wedding. You could throw on a little cute heel. And if it's in the fall, you could maybe even throw on a light sort of jacket with it, or a sweater, or even a shawl. It's definitely an easily transitional piece, but this is also great for summer hot days, wearing it just by itself without any layers over the top. This piece here is elastic, as is the waistband, which makes the wearing of this dress super comfortable. I also love the ruffle detail and the one shoulder detail as well. And then I also love the ruffle hem at the bottom. It's lots of fun, lots of great movement. Also, definitely great for a vacation dress as well. This might be my favorite piece, you guys, from the haul, besides the swimsuits. This is the perfect dress for fall. I have a pair of brown boots, or I could even pair them with my white boots, and I just feel like this is the perfect transitional dress. It is lightweight. There is no lining underneath, but there is actually a lining just in the back part, as you guys can see right here. So that's great. It is sheer, so if you aren't comfortable with the sheerness, I just have a nude bra on underneath, but you could also pair it with a tank top. There is no stretch, so I wasn't sure that this was going to work, but the way that the dress is cut, it actually works really, really, really nicely for my body. It just sort of skims over my lower half really nicely, and it has this sort of wrap style, which wrap styles on my body type always look really fantastic. I do love the long sleeves, and again, this is really sort of light and airy, so you could always throw on, let's just say, a leather jacket if it's a little bit chillier. I really love this deep plunging neckline we have going on as well. And if you had a lacy bra on, something a little bit cuter than my nude bra, it would look really cute if you wanted to open it up just a little bit, just to style it in a different way. And because there is no stretch in the dress, how do you get in? Well, they have a hidden zipper in the side seam right here to unzip it so you can slip it on. I actually had to slip it on over my head because it wouldn't fit up over my hips. Favorite dress from the haul today. Cannot wait to wear it during the cooler months. We have made it to the last outfit of my Cupshe haul and try on, and I am obsessed with this, you guys. This is perfect for the fall when it gets a little bit chillier. I did not, however, purchase this to wear this in public because, dun dun dun, I just don't feel comfortable wearing something like this in public. It's too short for me. The inseam is probably about 1 inch long. You guys know that my equation of finding the perfect shorts for my body shape is 3 inches, even 4 inches or longer, and this is 1 inch. So I already knew that this was gonna be like a lounge set, sort of in the house, chillin', maybe cuddled up with your boo sort of thing. That's what I would be wearing this for. I love the color combination of the creams and the whites and the browns. This is perfect for fall. I'm getting a little excited for fall, I'm not gonna lie. The last dress and this dress is definitely putting me into the fall mood for sure. It is a crochet set, so it is completely see-through. I obviously have on a nude bra and nude underwear, so that way you can't see through it. So you could even throw on a tank top or even maybe like a little boy short for underwear. It does have bell sleeves, which I love. This set sort of reminds me of like that 70s show. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that show, but this is definitely giving me 70s vibes, but I am here for it. It is so cute. It's warm. It's like a sweater material, so it's definitely gonna run warm. I don't know, if I was like living on the edge, maybe I'd style this with like a white pair of sneakers and wear it into society. Doubtful, but that's probably how I would style it. Or like if you're going on vacation and you're gonna be lounging out at like a cabin, or like, I don't know, maybe you're staying at a hotel with a balcony. Like I would wear this for that sort of scenario. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, obsessed. I am in a medium top and a medium bottom, and we have completed my Cupshe haul and try on. Super excited to have teamed up with them again. If you guys have any questions at all, please do drop them in the comment section below. And wanted to give you one last reminder that they are giving you guys 15% off with code MER15 off of your orders of $65 or more, or go ahead and scan the QR code to receive 20% off the entire site on an order of $105 or more. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to get notification for every time I upload a new video, and hit that super thanks if you feel so inclined, because it would be super appreciated. As always, thanks again for coming on back, and we'll see you next time. Bye!